The tofuti has already been splat
Makes it clean.
into the bowl.
What are you making there, sir?
This is a 7-layer vegan taco seasoning dip. 7-layer. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the taco seasoning mix. Sprinkle
How was
onto
that
the
last
tofuti.
Oh, look at he's got it going.
Sprinkle it,
Look
sprinkle
at
it.
the technique.
Woo!
As he rains it down. As he rains it.
He's
down.
making it rain. Is it spicy?
It's extra spicy.
Picante.
Picante. And that is
Exercise.
still coming out of there, huh?
Exercising.
Wow.
He's exercising.
Okay, that's step 1. I don't know what the other steps are.
All you gotta do is keep going. And then the
The
next
ingredients, this is layer 1.
Step. Ooh.
This is
So
layer
bean.
2. This is the guac.
Green guacamole.
What are you making?
This is layer 3.
Um,
This is layer
Option.
4.
the salsa.
I thought you
Oh.
just the fans.
Are those olives gonna be layered whole? Or perhaps you might. No, wait. We can say the actual words. This is not taboo anymore. You can
Follow
actually
your
chop.
heart.
No. Ooh.
Follow your heart.
Oh, some cheese. That's another layer.
It's
So
okay.
how many layers we got now?
At least 8.
And the olives are put on whole.
The olives, no, they're not. They're pinched.
they're not.
Oh, look at this, folks.
Wow.
No slice, not diced,
Wow.
but crushed.
That's
slice.
technique right there.
Not even crushed.
You
it's
can't teach
pinched.
that in a school, can
Can't
you?
teach them in the schools.
Ingredient number 7, pinched black olives.
And then the imaginary sprinkle of love.
Here we
We all
go.
know how to do.
We learned yesterday.
Come on,
Right?
you see it, do it.
Get it
And
going.
Janet's recipe.
Just
Get
do
it
it.
going.
This is thanks, Aunt Janet. Boom.
Whoa, he slam dunked that love sprinkle.
Woohoo.
Well, now you need to show the final product.
We will.
Let's go.
Yeah, we'll clip it. We'll clip it all in later.
All right, cut.
Hey, everybody, now we have an even team for taboo.
We do. Wait, hi.
Oh,
What
hey.
did you show? Let's just help this along. Are you guys done videoing?
Margarita.
Are you done? Can we just move this along?
Thank
We're
you,
in the
Mom.
middle of a game. Like, step aside, pal. You whip it with your fork quickly, okay? You get a knife. You don't use your fingers.
It's just
I use some
All right.
Let's
I'm
go.
still
Let's go.
conjuring.
Who let the ever ready bunny in the room?
Well, I'm just saying. I'm in the middle of a hot taboo game. I gotta hurry up and like,
I know, that was.
win.
She got
You're
over
getting
that was a
creative.
hot taboo game.
Ooh.
And we're still rolling.
Oh, the
Carol, you should be wearing your
criminal
crown.
has
Where's
The
Carol's
plumbing
crown?
criminal.
She's the queen.
arrived. Wayne, the plumbing criminal, has arrived.
Tyler.
It gets most of the crew all day.
Oh, it wasn't the plumbing. It was a bad fitting. We had a leak.
There was a broken fitting under there.
I missed that.
The washer line.
Hey.
It wasn't you. It was
There's
the
like
fitting.
one flexible hose, right?
Like-
And it's like an automatic fitting. It's like a compressor where you just pull it back. Well, that had broken in the middle. It was cracked and leaking. And I reached up, Dick was showing me, I reached up and it just fell in half. So after
Is that
going
is that
to
a
Home
actual
Depot, some
technique? That
appliance
there we
repairs,
That's
go.
how I do it, just about on the daily.
There it is.
Beans out. Oh, look at
Woo! It looks like, farm to table right there.
that. The leaning tower of beans out.
The good news is, it's a waterproof.
Smush, smush, smush.
We literally had to take out the trash cans to get enough room to even. Because it was way up in there. It was way up in there.
Now, do you have a
See that yellow
technique with
thing?
your
I'm like, I do.
when you spooning it,
That's
or
what-
is
and
it
So I
It's
a
just
spooning
I
I
click
click
technique?
it like kind of quick, so
touched
you
it,
can
fell in
like.
half. So
like-
the rest
That's
of the
how
day
a
was.
professional would just like, I don't
Driving
have
around
time
trying
for
to-
this, and
that's
you
a-
just smack it together like that.
Finally,
Okay,
Central
okay.
Supply is like,
And
oh, you broke them? I'll go get. I'm like,
What is it?
yeah, yeah.
Salsa comes
This had
next.
to
I
be
knew
the
that.
exact.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here we go.
And
Look
then
at
it's
this.
in a circular
Layer
fashion.
Two.
This is layer 2.
All right. Look
Layer
at this.
2 out
Two
of
of
7 to 8 to 9 to 11.
Cellular
45.
45 niner.
99 discount. Stir it up a little bit. Coming from the crowd here with suggestions. New spoons. Spoons are a dime a dozen.
I think if you had a margarita in your hand, you probably have
that.
a stronger
It's
technique.
not only a spoon, but it's spatula.
Give that man a margarita.
There we go.
Woo! Woo, dog it.
That's it. Now you know where the
Mixing
syrup is.
and rolling.
It's
Look at
not
that.
only a
It
spoon.
immediately became more Mexican.
Hey, that's this. Look at Bachelor Chef.
Pour
He
one
knows
out
what
for
he's doing.
Jakey.
Bachelor Chef. No problems.
No
You
problems.
spill and keep going. I know the system.
Pour one out for the
Not only a
ladies.
spoon, it's a
For
spatula.
the ladies.
Hey, spoon it out. Spoon it out.
Stir the pot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There's a plastic cover on
This
it.
is
We're not sure we can wait
Little
for it
too
to actually
neat.
eject. I'm gonna...
Oh man.
Oh, look. Just take off the plastic cover. No.
Oh, you got it started. Got to loosen the grid. Uncle Mike, did you lick this? Uncle Mike.
Well, I thought you were done. I thought...
This should have been done hours
All right,
ago.
keep going. Don't...
No soap.
Yeah,
No
don't
soap
be
needed.
jumping on Uncle Mike. You would've-
No
You'd
soap
still be
needed.
doing like this except for Uncle Mike. Oh. You're like, what's he doing?
This is a probiotic layer of healthy guac fats.
All right.
And Uncle Mike's spit.
Which makes it nearly
Mexican.
immune system proof.
Triple the immune strengthening
That's right.
properties.
Tolerate that.
You want
Not-
to try
not-
to keep the red below the green.
There you go.
Don't get out of order here.
There you go. Look at the. That's not just a spoon,
You
but
got
a
this is
spatula.
a spatula in the right hand, the
In
right
the right
wrist
hand.
flexion.
Now we're trying to get this 7-layer dip
Okay, so this
made
is
in
only
less
layer
than 7
3.
minutes.
This
Come
is
on.
So this is becoming a speed
Yeah,
round.
This is only layer 3. Let's go.
thick. And we
Ooh.
go
Now what is this again?
the splat of sour cream,
Oh.
taco seasoning,
Oh.
and love.
And the all important.
Wow, it's really okay. How do you do it faster?
Slip him a spoon.
Ask your mom.
Slip him the spoon.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
You think he doesn't need?
5.
Look at that. It's not just a spoon, but it's a
haboob.
spatula.
It's wild. Oh man.
Look at the wrist action.
I know, I'm telling them they're gonna have to slow this down, run
Look
it
at-
back, run it back.
Very little bleed through of the salsa layer.
That's the goal.
Well, okay.
Red light, green light,
There you go.
fork,
Now?
spoon to nice.
Now, as the time clicks on,
Move.
now is the
In
second.
5,
Yeah.
4.
Literally, chop, chop.
Should I be chopping the olives? Maybe.
Yes, yes. Oh,
No, you squeeze. You do.
I was gonna
No.
pinch them.
No, you pinch them. No,
Technically, we
no,
pinch
you
them.
pinch them.
Technically.
No, you
For the
pinch them.
That is a
sake of
little.
everyone
That is
else.
a little
Everybody
gross.
eating it, it's kind of gross.
I don't think so.
It's
Wash
just more
them here.
healthy bacteria.
Here, wash your fingers.
It's a little late for that.
Knuckle Mike's already been helping. Never mind.
Just a little miniature.
Yeah, all right. So
You
this
guys-
is not going to be.
you guys don't
I
even
won't
eat
say
the
it.
vegan
I was
stuff.
going to say, but I won't.
You'll love this though.
That's how disciplined I've become in my old age.
You are very
No,
disciplined,
cheese.
Uncle Mike.
Like this.
You're not going to snap them?
Cheese isn't on top.
Oh boy.
Wow, man. Now,
Technique.
yeah, but how much white paper are we going to get off of this particular technique?
Not even hitting
I'm
the
wondering.
bottom.
You know, look at this.
I was set up.
Look at the rapidity of this and the
Who
speed
set
of this
me up
stuff.
like this?
Harder, just whack it.
I'd say you pinch them. I think you
Yeah.
should.
You guys
come
have
on.
had too many margaritas. Just
Why
whack
we're,
it.
that's why we're only producing the video, not acting in it.
Right. Whoa!
Ah!
baby.
You're saying, ah!
This is a hot blade.
There goes another layer of salsa. Ah!
The
red sauce.
Yeah, red sauce anyway.
Yes, yes.
It's a little thin. That's good. Come on now. Holy.
You got a lot of chirping from the neighborhood.
Olives.
It's
Wow.
all good in the
Look at this.
neighborhood.
This is impressive. This is impressive.
True. Can't lie.
You don't dump it on.
No,
Layer
you,
5.
Shoot the boot. That's what I didn't want to have happen.
you shoot
The
the
juice. Too much juice. You can fold the fork.
Now we're into a whole different.
Oh.
almost
This is
late
the
night
official
video.
technique.
Oh, see a sausage being
Is
made.
this what you call? Hey, we've seen it now tonight, folks. He's shooting the boot. It's called. He just shoot the boot. He said.
How would you
Turn
that
it.
was?
You seen
I
it?
was always too, but I
You
thought
seen it here
imagined
first.
More juice coming
All
in than
here
out.
first. First and last place.
Look at this.
All
If you ain't-
get a statue.
Look at that.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Wow.
Ain't first, you're last.
The touch.
And you want to be last and first. You gotta eat every layer. That's the point here. The first layer, the second layer, the third layer, the fourth. The fifth
And who
layer,
said
the
that?
sixth layer, the seventh layer.
Jesus.
Layer
Oh, I was gonna say
is
he or she.
cheese.
Salsa. Sorry.
Oh,
Oh, follow your heart.
Some people put onions, I think. is
to cap every good dip,
Okay.
you must have a good solid layer of shredded.
You want to see some of the
Deliciousness.
olives underneath.
Oh, that's
so
right,
you know what
yeah.
you're digging into.
Yeah, it's like a pizza.
You're going in a circular motion
like a-
there, I
It's a
see.
circular
And
motion.
he tends to go
The left hand is for
counterclockwise.
support.
Did you notice
can go
that?
up
On almost
if
all of
you
his
like,
circular motions.
But that's pretty much it.
Well, yeah.
Wow.
Try.
He did a 7-layer dip in 11 minutes.
It really has 6 layers.
Woo!
It really took 20 minutes, but we cut it out.
2 minutes per layer.
Cut.
Not bad. Good,
12 minutes.
good cooking time.
Lucky number.
Lucky number.
Yeah.
And this is our final product.
Look at this. And says the hostess.
Yep.
Does she go through all 7 layers? Yes. She. Oh man, so good, so good. Everybody line up, everybody gets some. There's plenty for all. Plenty for all. This is the Tyler Miller Killer 6-layer dip.
Could be 8 layers, we're
Now,
not
wait,
really
now,
sure.
this is if his sister approves, that's different.
Do you count the probiotic layer as a
Miss,
layer?
does the princess?
Don't forget about
That
the
princess
layer.
gives it a hands up, a waft up. It's like, here we see her. There we go. Let's get it in
Oh,
slow
yeah.
motion.
Upwards.
Can't get any higher than that.
That's it.
You're good. You're
All right.
golden now. I'm taking back
That
the
shit's
margarita.
good.
Oh, and immediately back for a second.
Oh, here, snack plates.
Cutting back into the line.
Yeah. Pushing others way.
We need to get one.